Hey YouTube, it's your boy Polly C coming at you with another episode of Carpet Cleaning Guys Vlogs. That's right, we're hitting the high rise again today. We got 3 small condos to do, just 1 bedroom's commercial grade carpet. You see I got my fold up wagon, I got my Oreck orbiter, my power speed vacuum, my 2.5 gallon jug, my work sprayer, and polar pads. And so I am ready to get busy. Once the elevator comes down, I'm going to get up there. I'll show you a little pre-spraying. It is difficult to do with one hand, so you're going to see me kind of misting at an angle, which normally I would not do. I would just put it directly on the carpet. After I film a little bit of that, I'll go back over it off camera, get it all uniform, and then hit it with the Oreck orbiter and the moistened or pre-moistened polar pad. These polar pads are pretty incredible. If you've never used them, it's got like a big, almost an inch thick sponge in the middle of it, and it is microfiber. It works fantastic on these commercial grade carpets. These carpets do swell up. Don't be surprised if you start to see, once I start cleaning, a bunch of ripples. Sometimes it doesn't happen as much, and obviously trying to spray with one hand, I'm kind of working at an angle so you guys can get an idea. But after I'm off camera, I'll go back and get it all nice and uniform. And then what I'll choose to do is take the Oreck orbiter and quickly go through all the traffic areas while the pad is still relatively clean, doing all the absorption. I'll hit all those, and then I'll come back and methodically, slower, hit all the areas nice and slow. And like I said, if you do see any bubbling or rippling, totally normal. We live in the state of Washington, and it's really humid no matter what time of year it is. Excuse me. So when you apply warm water or hot water to the carpets, it causes a little expansion on the back of these. They're not glued down. I think they have a foam backing on them, or a rubberized backing, so no big deal. But like I said, I'm not skipping all these little areas. I'm just hitting the main traffic areas with the fresh pad just to get a visual so I can tell there's no spotting needed and whatnot. It's already been vacuumed. Excuse me. I will be showing you vacuuming on my next unit, but not the cleaning. So for those of you that like to see the vacuuming videos, look for that. I'll post that probably within a few minutes after this one. And I'm using that power speed. A lot of you are familiar with that. I used to use that quite often, and it does a great job. My sanitaire took a dive, and I just haven't replaced or figured out what vacuum I want to buy. And I'm kind of happy with the power speed, so I may just stick with it for a while. But you can see this thing is doing a great job. I'll show you the pad when I'm done. So I went up and back on that right side of the room, and now I'm just kind of cutting in from where I left off and going across. And I'm doing that instead of going lengthwise all the way across. It's hard to tell on the camera, but the bed was here and I could see the areas, and they're just cleaning right up. I will tell you, Green Dragon is absolutely amazing. I mean, I honestly think I could just put the 30-pound, 5-gallon jar or bucket of Green Dragon on my truck and never have a need for anything else. I mean, the stuff is, I've been proving it over the years here now. You could tell. I mean, I've been using it, and it's just, and, I'm not telling you that because I want you to buy it. I don't care what you buy. But, if you want to have something that works good and not wonder afterwards, boy, I wonder if I could have done anything better. This Green Dragon's amazing. No residue. It's got no soap in it, so it cleans incredible. You can clean carpet, tile, wood. It doesn't matter. You can clean with Green Dragon. Obviously, I'm just joking. I always keep a little bit of rust remover, the Wink rust remover, because you do run into rust, which Green Dragon's not going to pull out. Different gum type removers and red vanish for red stains. And, but I could just mix the Green Dragon more concentrated, and it could be my spotter. So you see the ripples I kind of glanced at. You see, not too bad today. They're under pretty good control. So I'll wrap all this up, get my cord wrapped up, toss all my stuff in the bucket. Oh, yeah, let's take a look at this pad. Oh, yeah, that's the backside. And these ones, they've been washed. They are holding a little bit of darkness. Nothing that you wash that's white unless you use bleach comes out perfectly white again. But they were clean. They're doing the job. So I'll head on over. I'll do a quick vacuuming video in the next one for you. Appreciate y'all watching. Look for me in the next episode.